Here's how you can make tater tots with a Pakistani twist. Why is it called tots? This is aloo paratha in your hand.
Let's peel russet potatoes and parboil it in salted water for about 7 minutes and then grate it. Add chili powder, cumin and coriander seeds, dried mint, dried fenugreek leaves, black curry seeds, cilantro, flour and salt. Mix well and then portion them out into these little tater tots shapes, whatever you want to call it, and freeze it for about 30 minutes and then deep fry at 350 until they're golden brown. Enjoy on its own or dip it into anything but ketchup.
Ooh, I need some chutney. Hold on. I don't know what this is. I think this is a ranch. Unlike the traditional tater tots we find in supermarkets, I grated this, so it's a bit more longer and more stringy, just a bit of a different texture. I think for next time, maybe it'll be better if we just put this in a food processor, so it'll get chopped up into smaller pieces and then form it into that shape. But other than that, the flavor is spot on. I know tater is supposed to mean potato, but what's tots?
Oh, chutney नहीं बनाई?
Oh, this is here.
क्यों? जबरदस्त. आपने मेरी रेसिपी चुराई?
Yep.